Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1806 at the Gardens Hotel Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, a couple of light switches, as well as the makeup room and do not disturb switches. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. A mirror right there to the right. And a bit of storage, a couple of bottles of water. In-room safe. Cups and glasses, tea and coffee making stuff together with a kettle below. Right here we have a fridge. And further inside we have the desk area right here, with a flat screen sharp TV, in-room telephone, a drawer. In here, with a bit of storage together with sort of like a makeup mirror. More drawers right there. Place to put your luggage with cupboards below. Sofa and stool. It is a twin bedroom. So in the middle you have the bedside table with an in-room telephone, a bit of storage and all the plugs and whatnot. On either sides you also have bedside tables with storage areas, plugs, lights and all that. Here we have a light switch together with the climate control panel. And right here we have the bathroom. A mirror. Which is actually the wardrobe. You have drawers, bit of storage down there. In-room slippers, ironing board, iron, bathrobes, hangers, an extra pillow above. A light switch for the toilet, which is right there. Here we have the combined bathtub with shower. A mirror right there. And right here we have another mirror. Hello. With the sink, the bathroom amenities, towels and all that. Much brighter right now with the lights on. Okay, so finally we have the view. And the view that I get is of the Gardens Residences building right opposite. We also have the hotel swimming pool below. Gardens and Mid Valley Mall right there. More office buildings. The new development opposite Gardens, which is KL Eco City, and we also have roads right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1806 at the Gardens Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.